You can rent a house, you can get a job. The cool, man.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Your boy Pare right here in the building, back again with another video. And this week I'll continue right from where I stopped last week, responding to your question. So it's another question and answer section. As I told you that probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks I'll be responding to questions. Yeah, so if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, what we do is that you just pause the video, go get yourself a cup of coffee, come back, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start with this one. Can I survive with part-time job in the UK? So I'm going to define survival as being able to pay your rent, taking good care of yourself, eating well, probably buying anything that you want to buy. If that is what you understand as survival, I will say the answer is yes. You can survive with part-time job right here in the UK. Now the thing is that I don't want you to have that Nigerian ideology about part-time job where you're doing a part-time job, you cannot even pay your rent. It's quite different here. Why? Because money has value here. Yeah, that is just the simple truth. So doing a part-time job here is not what we understand in the Nigerian system, you understand? So since the pound has a lot of value here, I can tell you that you can work for 3 days in a week and you live comfortably. That is why the Brits travel a lot. You see them going for vacation in Spain, in Portugal. Name it, they travel a lot, they take care of themselves because the little they work is quite okay for them to live a comfortable life. So as a student, the UK government said that you should work 20 hours in a week. Fine, 20 hours a week you can fit well, get a nice clothes, do your hair, settle your bills, live a comfortable life, but you will struggle when it comes to paying your accommodation. Definitely you're gonna struggle. That is nothing to cry about. You know what? You have vacation. So when your vacation comes, bro, bumper to bumper, you know what I mean? So you can use your vacation to save money, to clear all your accommodation bills. That is it. Can my maintenance fees be in microfinance bank? Mbanu, please do not keep your maintenance fees in microfinance bank, because someone told me the other time that what they want is a commercial bank. So I don't think microfinance bank is a commercial bank. Nah. So please, if you have your money in a microfinance bank, please pull it out and put it in a commercial bank. Before that will cause a denial of visa. It's even better because UK is just 28 days where you can keep the money, print out your statement. If it's a country like Canada where you have to show your account statement for up to 4 months, I would say it's quite worrisome. So it's something you can do in the UK, just 28 days. Remove your money, put it in a commercial bank. Yeah. Will I get PSW if I have a receipt or if I fail a module in the university? Good question. So I have downloaded the graduate route guide on my laptop and I've gone through it like 2 to 3 times. I've not seen anywhere that they say that if you fail a module or if you have a receipt, you are not gonna get the PSW visa. So I will say this is nothing to worry about. But I'm going to point out just 2 things. One, someone commented in one of my videos that when this rule was in the past, that was during Theresa May era, that if you fail a module at that time, they did not give you a PSW visa. So anyone that was in the UK during this time, please, if this is true, just let us know in the comment section below. And number 2, if you read that guide very well, you will discover that they say something about your final course or result that is from the university. And I'm going to read out. It says you should apply to the graduate routes once your university has sent you your final course results and not before this. So for them to say that you should apply once your result is out, that can cause for concern. So I would say, fingers crossed, you can't tell anything that's gonna happen. So you do your best. Academic excellence is important. Just do your best and leave the rest for God. What can I do to remain in the UK after my program? Number one, we are talking about post-study work visa. 2 years post-study work visa. You try to get it. Number two, you watch the video I'm gonna put up here. I made a video on how to extend your visa. Watch that video so that you can have an insight on how to get more stay. Everything I said on that video is from the Home Office website. It's not from me. It's just that a lot of people don't know the different route. Like you just asked this question, a lot of people don't know how to get more stay. So that is why I did a lot of research before I put that video. So because like I always said, a lot of people have gone back to Nigeria or their respective country without understanding what is innovator visa. I did not even put that there. Global talent visa, healthcare visa, there's even visa for sports personnel, you understand? Because fam, I can tell you that a lot of people don't even know that their wife or their children can join them in this country if they are doing a master's program. This is just the truth, fam. You'll be shocked that people don't know this thing. So that is why I made that video, just to bring more awareness into some of these things. Because if your visa expires in this country, man, you can rent a house, you can get a job. The cold, man. The cold is too much, fam, to be roaming on the streets. You cannot survive this cold if you are not in the house. So it's just better you respect yourself, you go back. You can come back for PhD or something else. Because fam, you ain't gonna survive this, man. So this one is a long one, but I'm going to make it short. I've paid my school fees. I've gotten my CAS letter. Why did the VAC Center call me for a phone interview? So the truth is that COVID has brought so many changes to all these visa processes and a whole lot of things. So in 2019, before the COVID and the whole brouhaha, we all went to the VAC Center, and this was how all these things were done. You submit your application, they call you to the VAC Center, you go there, you do your biometric and interview. I did interview as well. Sit down, put on my earphone, and they interview me from the screen. So if COVID has made some of these offices to say, oh, we don't want a lot of people in the office, we are going to do the phone interview with you, there's nothing bad. We have all seen the rise of all this application in recent months. Team, Zoom, Skype, there's another one that I use, Hopkin or Hopteam, I can't remember. They use all these things to create a virtual interview, and they are 100% effective. That Hop whatever, I've forgotten the name, is very, very effective. They can switch you to different room where you talk with a particular person. You now come to the group and somebody can interview you. So COVID has just opened our eyes in all these services, and we can't say no. So because you pay school fees and you have a CAS letter, does not mean that it's over. I don't know if there are some people that have not done the phone interview and they've gotten their visa. If you're among this set of people, please let us know in the comment section. If at all it happened and they now have to say, oh no, there's a way that we can come up with the phone interview, then it's nothing bad. So my brother, just go and prepare for the phone interview. If you have done the university interview and you pass, you have the CAS, man, there's nothing wrong with the phone interview that you cannot pass. Alright fam, I've come to the end of the video. We'll continue next week from where I stopped. Stay positive, stay blessed, keep grinding, keep pushing, keep hustling. Do well to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace out.